Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Saifullah from SKTacademy.com. In this video, I will show you how to create a 3D of a building. So we already designed a plan, and in the previous two videos we designed its front elevation and then side elevation. So the elevation makes it easy to design a 3D from a plan. Remember that there are few methods to create a 3D. First, I will teach you how to make a 3D with a simple method. So you can apply it in any version of AutoCAD if it is 2000, 2004, 7, 6, etc. So first I will right click in any place here on the draw or modify toolbar, and I will open a new toolbar, view, and then right click again, and below I will open a new toolbar, visual styles. So in AutoCAD 2006 or older version, it may be named as shade, and in 2007 or latest version it may be named as visual styles. So I will place it here. There are few views, if you see here, top, bottom, right, left, and these are isometric views for 3D view. So I will switch to a 3D view, ISW, southwest isometric view. You can see here. I will again switch to top view. So for the 3D, you must copy all these objects. I will delete all their text and move the shade outside of that building. So I will draw rectangles here. If you have layers, it will be more easy for you. Here I don't have, so I will draw a rectangle here from this corner to that opposite corner. Again, sorry, I will do a trick here. I will select a color so that you can see that we draw a new rectangle, so you will see it easily. Rectangle from this corner to this corner. Again a rectangle, again a rectangle, again a rectangle. I will not draw a rectangle for that veranda, and I will draw a polyline here. That's it. Lines and rectangles are already done. So switching your lines to 3D, there is an option, necessary option, extrude, EXT for extrude. You will select your object, so I will select my rectangles, this rectangle, this rectangle, this rectangle, this one, and this one. Then press enter and specify your height of extrusion. We already given it a height of 11 feet, so here I will enter 11 feet. I will convert my drawing from 2D wireframe to conceptual visual styles. So you will see that our drawing is converted. Now I will just switch back. If you see here, so these are not like rooms, there is no empty space here. So I will do a trick here. You can do it in any style. I will subtract these inside boxes from that outside. So SU for subtract, select your target first. Your main object will be outside, so I will select it, then press enter, then select that inside boxes and then press enter again. So you will see now that these rooms are empty. Now for that length level I will draw a box here, BOX for box, BOX box, from this point to this point, and I will give it a height of -6 inches. So you will see length level is drawn. You can switch between these views, so I will apply SE, southeast isometric view. So I will again switch to 2D wireframe. Now I will draw doors and windows, a box here, select this corner and select outside opposite corner and give it a height of 7 feet. Again draw a box from this corner to this corner and give it a height of 7 feet. Here I will draw a box again and I will give it a height of 5 feet. Again box from here to this point and 5 feet. Now I will move these two objects from their base point. I will give it a height of 2 feet. So I will move it, select both of these objects, press enter, and from this point I will give it a direction on z-axis and will give it a height of 2 feet. Now I will subtract it. SU subtract, select that wall first, then enter, and then select these objects. So that's how we subtracted our doors and windows. Now you can go to the top view again. So I will extend it. Here you can draw a polyline, but I am doing another trick by making a boundary here, BO boundary. I will select pick an internal point, pick points, click here and then press enter and move it. Again I will extend it and boundary and move it. Now again switch to isometric and I will extrude it 9 inches, extrude it 9 inches. I will 3D rotate it. So 3R for 3D rotate. Select object, enter and select a base point. So don't click here. Now click on this red line. Click again and go to z-axis. Undo it again. 3 or for 3D rotate, select object, enter, select a base point, click here and go on z-axis. Move it from here to this point. Again I will 3D rotate it. I will rotate simply and I will move it. Now I will join these two objects. So union, UN for union. Sorry. Union, select both these objects and press enter. Now this is already union. In the next video I will show you how to create roof with shade and how to design doors and windows. I think this video is enough. The next video will complete our model. I hope you will like my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. See you in next video. Bye. So let's do rest of the work. First I will make windows and doors, and after that we will make a roof. So I will copy window, I will copy it here. Now I will copy it again and delete these inside objects. So this is our gem. Now I will switch to a 3D view, isometric view. First I will region these objects, or I will draw another rectangles on it. So I think region will work. Region, select all and enter. So 3 regions created here. Now I will extrude all of these objects and I will give it a height of 9 inches. Now we'll subtract inside objects from that outside. So SU for subtract, select that outside object, select object and then press enter. Then select inside objects and then press enter. So that's our gem. I will 3D rotate it. 3 or 4 3D rotate. Select object, enter, specify a base point here and click here. Now click here and go downwards for 3D rotation. So that's our gem. Now I will make a design. So I will delete that outside lines and I will delete one of these objects. For that I will copy it. Now we will have to copy it 3 times. Copy again and now delete that outside lines. So this will be our frame. This will be our frame. So I will delete these inside lines. I will go to top view and delete these objects, these lines. This will be our main frame, and after that I am doing it one by one for you so that you could learn it easily. Now this will be our frame, and this will be our wooden design that will be inside. So I will region it, and now I will subtract it. You can extrude it and then subtract it, or you can subtract it before and then extrude it. Both commands are accurate if you want. So SU for subtract, select that outside object, then select all these objects that are inside. Again select these. So this will be our frame. I will extrude it again. We'll extrude it 2 inches. Now I will go back to top view and delete these designs. Repower Region, regenerate your model so it will be refreshed. RE. So I will regenerate again. Now I will copy it. So I will extrude it, select that all, and I will extrude it half inches. I will extrude it half inches. Now I will extrude it again, but I will have to give it a taper angle, T for taper angle, and you can give it a taper angle of 65 or 75. I will give it 65, and now you can give it a height of 0.5 inches. So that's how we created our design. Now select all and move it here. Now union it, UNI for union. Select all these objects and enter. So I make it like a group. Now we will have to put it inside our frame. So I will rotate it 3 or 4 3D rotate, select object, enter, specify our base point, and now select this line, click here and go downwards. Again do same method. Now we will have to put it in midpoint of that frame. So first you have to go to 2D wireframe and now move it, and I will have to select here a midpoint. So that's how we created our window. Now union it again, union, select all and enter. Now we will have to put it either you want inside or outside, both are correct. So I will copy it select object, copy here to this point and copy here to this point. You can take a copy so that you can see if you want to put it on inside of that, so you can. I will copy it again, select that inside corner and again that inside corner. So both are correct. If you want, you can put it inside or outside. Now take a copy, select all, copy, and from this point to this point. And again, if you can't see, you will have to go to 2D wireframe and now copy it again, select all, copy, and select endpoint here. So that's how we created our window. For the doors, the method will be the same. Now copy that door, copy it again, and delete that inside objects. Delete it, select a line, draw a line here and draw a line again, region it and extrude it 9 inches. So I will put this design here, and for this I will copy, now draw a line here and draw a line here, region it and extrude it 9 inches. Now I will 3D rotate it. 3R for 3D rotate, select object and specify a base point here. Click here and go downwards. Move it. You don't see, so you also can copy from this base point to this point. I will 3D rotate it again, and now simply rotate it. I will move it. So the design method or window and door will be the same. So let's see. Delete, delete and delete. Draw a line here. Now I'll do it faster. Delete, 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 delete these lines. And also delete these lines. Or Repower Region, regenerate your model. Now copy it. region it, reg for region, and you can see, so you can subtract it from outside, select outside, then enter, then select these inside objects. Now extrude it 2 inches. Now delete these outside objects, region it, copy it, extrude it 0.5 inches. Again extrude it, T for taper angle 65.5. Now move it from this point to this point. Now union it. So three R for 3D rotate, base point, click here and click here. Again do the same method and go to 2D wireframe, move it from endpoint to midpoint. Now union it, UNI for union, select all these objects and enter. Now rotate it and now move it from this side, this corner to this corner. So that's our door. Now you can create another door. Go to top view and 2D wireframe. Again same method for all doors. So I will pause the video and will make this door. So that's how we created our doors and windows. Now I'll switch back to southwest elevation isometric view, and I will select line type again by layer, I mean by sample. I will take offset inside of 18 inches because I will have to create a shade here, so that's why that's our boundary for the roof, and the rest of the 18 inches will be our shade. So I will extend these lines, I will trim it, boundary, pick points, I will pick an internal point. So if this error comes, you can switch to 2D wireframe, BO for boundary, pick points, click here, enter, and move this. So I will explode it again, offset 6 inches, and I will draw a line here. I will fill it radius by 1 feet and trim it. So that's this will be our shared design. I will region it again and 3R for 3D rotate. I will break this, BR for break, and we'll move this to one of these points. Again extend this line here to this point. EXT for extrude, select object, enter. So if you extrude it straight, this will be the problem. So I will have to give it a path, P for path, and I will select this path. So our shade is created. If you see, so now I will have to create a roof here. Again I will switch back to 2D wireframe, BO for boundary, pick points, select, click here, enter, and I will extrude it. EXT for extrude, select this line, enter, and 6 inches. So that's our roof. Now we will have to move it to this point. So I'll switch back to 2D wireframe and move it. M for move, select all these objects, press enter, and from this point I will move all these objects to this point. So that's our complete 3D design. You can see we already created our complete 3D building. I hope you will enjoy my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. In next video, see you again. Bye.